Hey gang, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's my most luxe box ever I am unboxing. It is the Birchbox birthday celebration box. Birchbox just had their 8th birthday and I just had we're not going to tell you my age birthday, but I look fabulous for my age. So I decided to splurge and get this fabulous box. Now, I also used my Birchbox loyalty points, plus took advantage of the birthday sale. So I actually only got this box for like $40. Yes, everything in this box for like $40. So let's jump into it. Holy bejeez, like for real, birthday box. So, it's like, it's your special day. No, Birchbox, it is your special day, which means I had to get this. So, indulgent treats and other fun stuff. It's like a birthday bash in a box. There's even a candle. Yes, there's a candle. So, let's get into the box. So we have Tartist Creamy Lip Paint in TBT. I have Fly. I got it during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. I love it. I already have lip stuff on, but hey. Let's make a little ombre effect. That's right. Then we have, this is probably one of the main reasons I got this box. It is my favorite mascara. Well, one of my favorites. Probably my top 3. It is Roller Lash by Benefit. This by itself is $23 to $25, depending on where you get it. Yes, it is awesome. It curls your lashes, and it's just freaking awesome, like for real. Then we have OUAI or OUAI, or however, I always mispronounce it wrong. It's hair and body oil. It's rose. You can use it on your body. You can use it on your hair. I will probably use it on my body because otherwise my hair will look greasy, and then you people will bitch in my YouTube because you're haters like that. Some of you. Anyway, it's got, oh, it's a nice floral scent. Oh, no. There's a treat. There's an awesome treat. Oh my gosh. And it's like incredible treat because it's like my second fave. Okay. My first fave is sour gummies. However, I will not say no to regular gummies from Dylan's Candy Bar, which have only like the best gummies in the world. They're a little pricey, but sometimes you're going to splurge and we're going to look at the little baby. Oh my god, how cute. Little gummies. I don't think they're bears. If they are bears, they're very, very tiny bears. Now, this one is a little messy. I'm going to have to customer service them and tell them, but they'll fix it. Why? Because they're Birchbox and they have awesome customer service. Anyway, it's Winky Luxe. It's supposed to be a holographic highlighter in Birthday Bash. However, as you can tell, it's busted. They'll fix it, no problem. But it's very pink, and now it's on me. So now I'm highlighted. Then we have, oh, we have the Eau Thermale Avene. It's lotion toner, like genital toner lotion. You can use it to take off your makeup, close up your pores afterwards. It soothes your skin. It's part of your makeup removing process. It's wrapped in plastic, or I would tell you how it smells. I didn't think about that before I started this video. Oh, birthday candle. Oh, that's right. Birthday candle. Montauk Candelina. Upgrade your birthday cake candles. Well, I already had my birthday cake, but it smells like nautical salt air. It feels like the ocean. Then we have Starskin. It's a 2-step. You put the mask on. Well, you put the oil on. Then you put the mask on. And then you've got a nourishing and brightening skin. It's serum soaked. It's going to be awesome. Okay, the final two are like the other two reasons I got this box. Look at this. It is a cushion paddle brush with boar bristles. Oh, it's so... My hair gets knotted so easily because it's fine on the ends. Oh my god. This thing is like a head massage. Oh, between this and my wet brush, I may just be like Marsha brushing my hair. Wasn't Marsha Brady that like combed her hair like 100 times every day before bed? Then finally, it's a Swell bottle. These are like $25, $30. It keeps the hot hot for 12 hours. It keeps the cold cold for 24 hours. It's in Birds of Paradise is the color. And there's a message in my bottle. It's probably just how to take care of it. And to send them a photo of me getting crazy with my bottle. Oh, and also the instructions on how to clean it. However, I've wanted one of these for a while, and I was like, I'm going to wait for the right opportunity. And the universe provides. So now I have a Swell bottle. So when I walk around Chicago, I will always have water. So that is the birthday box. This is where to find me so that you can see the birthday box over and over and over again. Stay beautiful, gang.